everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bedroom interior decoration and design after finishing our kitchen chapters. If you're looking to transform your bedroom into a cozy and stylish retreat, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring different types of bed frames and discussing the hottest bedroom themes for 2024. Let's get started! First, let's talk about bed frames. The bed is the centerpiece of any bedroom, and the right bed frame can set the tone for your entire space. Here are two popular bed frame styles that can enhance your bedroom decor. The first option is the upholstered bed frame. This type of bed frame is padded and covered with fabric, leather, or faux leather, adding a touch of luxury and comfort to your bedroom. Upholstered bed frames come in various styles, from tufted headboards to sleek modern designs. They're perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere, and they can easily complement any bedroom theme. Next, we have the classic wooden bed frame. Wooden bed frames are incredibly versatile and come in a range of styles, from rustic and traditional to sleek and contemporary. The natural texture and warmth of wood can add a calming and organic feel to your bedroom. Whether you choose a simple platform bed or an intricate carved design, a wooden bed frame can be the perfect foundation for your bedroom decor. Now that we've covered some stunning bed frame options, let's move on to the trending bedroom themes for 2024. If you're planning a bedroom makeover, these themes will help you create a space that's both stylish and personal. First up is the minimalist Zen theme. This trend focuses on simplicity, tranquility, and a clutter-free environment. Think neutral colors, clean lines, and natural materials. To achieve this look, choose a simple bed frame, like a platform bed, and keep your decor minimal. Incorporate elements like soft textiles, indoor plants, and natural light to create a serene and calming space. Next, we have the modern glam theme. This style combines contemporary design with luxurious touches for a sophisticated and elegant look. Think plush upholstered bed frames, metallic accents, and rich fabrics like velvet and silk. Incorporate statement lighting, such as chandeliers or sleek sconces, and choose a bold color palette with jewel tones or monochromatic schemes to make your bedroom feel glamorous and chic. The bohemian chic theme is all about expressing your creativity and individuality. This trend embraces eclectic decor, vibrant colors, and a mix of patterns and textures. To achieve this look, choose a wooden bed frame with a rustic or vintage feel and layer it with colorful textiles like patterned rugs, throw pillows, and blankets. Add personal touches with handmade decor, plants, and unique art pieces to create a cozy and free-spirited atmosphere. Finally, the coastal retreat theme brings the calming vibes of the beach into your bedroom. This trend focuses on light, airy colors, natural materials, and a relaxed feel. Choose a wooden bed frame with a light finish and incorporate elements like rattan furniture, soft linens, and coastal-inspired decor. Add touches of blue, white, and sandy beige to create a soothing and breezy atmosphere that makes you feel like you're on vacation every day. And there you have it. Two beautiful bed frame options and the top bedroom themes for 2024. I hope this video has inspired you to refresh your bedroom and make it a space you love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!